Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a robot from my children's book. Show you which one we're going to draw. We're going to draw this one today. He looks a bit evil on that one, but he's actually nice really. If you read the story, you'll find out why he looks evil, what happens to make him evil. You can get these, they're on Amazon. We'll put the links below. So this story is called The Visitor. It's a little bit like E.T., a little bit. But there's other characters and stuff in this one. So that's that one. Okay, let's get started. So this one's a character that I invented. It's quite hard to draw. But let's have a practice this morning. Practicing drawing your own character. That's it. Just put the paper in the middle. So, I'm going to draw a rectangle. I want the corners a little bit curved, like that. And then around, like that. There we go. So that's going to be his head. I've got my little sausage dog in here and she's promised to behave. And we'll see, because last time, that's a shaking head. Last time she knocked a glass of water off, but I blame my partner because she let the water out, so I think it's her fault. I think because the dog's so cute she can do nothing wrong. So that's where the neck is going to connect to his body. Okay, and draw these on top. These are really good. I'll tell you in a second once I've drawn them. So I'm going to go down like that and down like that. Oh, what's up? What's up? She went to the beach yesterday for the first time. Same on this side. She loved it. She went straight into the sea. You'll see, if you want to have a look at it, I've got pictures on my Facebook page and the links are below. She's very cute. She's a bit mischievous sometimes though. Cheeky. So that's the head. These are the eyebrows. And what's good about these eyebrows is, if I want to make the character angry, I can put them straight up, like on this book where I just showed you. I can move the eyebrows to make the different emotions. So if you look on that, can you see I've done them pointing upwards, so you can do expressions. This one is going to be nice this time. So this is a bit hard. Drawing circles, bigger circles, can sometimes be a bit tricky. So you could use a compass or draw around something, or cut out a circle on a piece of card and then draw around that. That wasn't too bad. I'm going to draw the pupils in the middle, colour that in black. Same on that side. Now I've done a mistake there. If I did that side first, and then I could see that eye when I'm drawing it. So now I can't see that eye, see if it's level, but there we go. That was lucky. So I always do that side. So now the body. I'm going to draw a line there. And then I'm going to go across to here. Oh, it's slightly rounded. And then I'm going to go down. Now if you want to turn your paper, because you can see where my hand's bent there, but I don't want to turn my paper, so I want you to be able to see. But it is easier if you turn your paper to how it makes you feel hand comfortable. I can't talk. I'm going to come down there, and then we're going to come down to there. And the same on this end. Now when I do that, I might smudge here, so you might want to put a piece of paper over yours. So I'm going to come down to here. And there's a reason why I've stopped here, and I will draw that bit in a minute. Now, let's have a look. This bit, he's going to have 6 arms. So that's 1. What are you doing, little one? I can feel her nose on my leg. What are you doing? She needs to go to sleep. She's not had a sleep. She's too nosy though. She's so nosy. So there's an arm there. That's going up. And then I'm going up again. I'm going to have an arm come in here. Again, you might want to turn your paper just to make it a bit easier for you. You're not bending your hand like mine is at the moment. I'll go across like that. And I'm going to go up and up. Okay, and then another one here. Coming down. Yeah, you can tell I had to practice this one. It's been a long time since I've written this book. And it's a long time since I've drawn this character. So that's that, and then same on this side. And then down to join that, and down to join that. And then another leg, not join that up, right there, all right there. Right, going to go down there, and then going to start from here and join it to there, like that. There we go. Now then, this might make him look scary, this bit, because he's got tools on the end of his arms. I'm just going to go up, down, across slightly diagonal. Same on that side. Oh, she's being a good girl. Oh, she's in a bed. She's a little love. I'll show you her later if she stays still. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. So that looks like a pair of pliers. So this one, I'm going to draw a line across, line up, and then I'm going to come in like that. And then we're going to go up, like that, and join to there, like that. Okay, and then we're going to come out, and then I want to point on the end. So there we go. And then the top one, I want to grab her like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to go down into there, down into there. There we go. That was up, not down, wasn't it? There we go. There. I'm going to come in. Same on that side. And down. There's a bit of a grabber there. Right. Now then, tools on this side. I'm going to do this. Like a saw. Zigzags. Can be cut stuff. And then I think a hook. There we go. Like a pirate hook. I've written some pirate stories if you like pirates. I've got the link below. They're £3 if you want to watch them on an ebook, so you can watch them, you can read them online, or they're £6.99 if you want to order a paperback. There we go. And then I'm going to come into a little V there. That's like a bit of a pricker, that, so you can prick soft stuff and pick stuff up. The hook can gather stuff, the saw can cut stuff, that can pincer. That one, not sure, like a bit like a corkscrew. And then the pliers can cut stuff. So it looks a bit scary, but it could be a nice robot and help with DIY. Could go into people's houses and maybe do that. So this bit, this is tricky, this. So what I'm going to do, let's see, where should I start? Start here in the middle one. You'll see what's going to happen in a minute, or you might remember from the picture. So I'm going to do that. Okay, and then I'm going to go up, round, like that. And the same here, all the way round, like that. And you probably see what it is now. There we go. So, there we go. There are wheels. I've done them on the angle so you can see the wheels, but also to show that the robot could turn in different directions, so we can go round rather than just going straight ahead. That would be a bit mean to build a robot where it could just go straight ahead. Won't be very fair. So this is the bit here, the rod. I can join on like that. So that rod's going to go through the wheels and come out at that side. So I think he might be done. So yeah, it's because it could be a really nice, useful robot and help people with all them tools he's got. Or, unfortunately, he could be evil and use these tools. We'll see. You're supposed to, if you build a robot, you're supposed to put commands on that can stop it from doing harm to itself or others. I don't know where you look on the internet, you'll find the commands to build a robot that's not going to cause destruction or be evil. So that's that one done, and it was hard. So thank you for watching with this one. I would love to see your pictures. So you'll find my contacts below, either Facebook or email. Take a picture on your phone of your picture or scan, whichever you prefer, whichever's the easiest. And I will see you next time.